off.
Do you have your driver's license, registration, for insurance?
I don't have my ID.
You don't have your ID?
No.
Rebecca, you own the car, correct?
Yes, I do. It's my vehicle.
Okay. So your license suspended?
My license isn't suspended.
Yes. Your license is canceled because you failed to take a class that you were supposed to take.
No, it's not.
Are you telling me? Because I have access to motor vehicle data.
When?
And we ran your tag, and your tag is suspended. That expired. You have your insurance card?
No, that's it.
This
Hey,
the one?
Where are you at?
I need proof of insurance or else
That is all I f***ing have.
your car is about to be towed if I don't have proof of insurance.
I need you to load your fucking boat up and come. I'm about to get fucking arrested. Apparently my shit was suspended. I'm not stepping out of the vehicle.
Step out of the car. It's
For what
not a
reason?
request. It's
For
an
what
order.
reason?
Start me another unit.
I'm not fucking listening. There is no goddamn reason for me to get out of my goddamn car.
You're under arrest. Get out the car.
No.
Get out the
I'm
car.
fucking under arrest. Can you come get me for no fucking reason? Record.
Don't.
Do not fucking touch me.
Man, stop
Do
pulling.
not touch me.
Pulling from me.
Ryan, come get me. What the fuck? Ryan, no. Record this shit. Record this.
Everything's recorded.
Come on. There's no fucking reason
Stop
for this. You
resisting.
sorry piece
You
of
stay
shit.
there, you'll be arrested. Okay?
You're
She's got to chill. Stop, or you're gonna be thrown on the ground. Stop it.
Let me fucking go.
No, you're under arrest.
No, I'm not. You break my arm, you sorry piece of shit. I'm gonna fucking punch you.
Well, that's a felony right there for making a threat. You just upgraded from a misdemeanor to a felony.
This is no reason for this. What am I being arrested for?
This is an arrest without violence. Okay?
For what?
Not stepping out of the car when I told you to do so.
This is my fucking vehicle. I don't have to.
Yes, you do.
No, I do not.
You wanna learn? Anything illegal on you?
No, don't fucking touch me. You are not a fucking woman.
Am I patting you?
You are not a woman.
I don't have to be a woman.
I will fucking
okay?
scream red.
You scream all you want.
And he has her vehicle registration in her
She's good.
pocket.
She's talking to mom. It's the driver that was out of
Becca
control.
is in the back of the cop car. I can't send you anything because her vehicle registration is in
What's
her
that?
pocket. You got a license or a
She wouldn't get out.
time card?
Yeah, it's her. She's the problem. I mean, they
A lot of lies.
didn't really do anything. Okay. So the car is not insured. Her license is suspended. She didn't believe it, and then she made a scene out of it.
Okay.
She didn't want to get out the car, so she got assisted to get out the car. Alrighty. So.
Do you know them?
Gosh, the one that got
Is there anything in the car that's not supposed to be?
Nothing that's mine that I
Nothing that's not yours?
No, none. I was at the house and we were supposed to go walk the dogs, so I joined.
Okay, the only reason why I'm asking is because at your feet in the car there's a weed.
Oh, that is
a cylinder.
No, sir, that is not mine.
Okay, what's in it?
It's whatever they have.
Did somebody throw something in the back seat toward you, or was it just in there?
It was just in there.
Okay.
It was just me and I brought my phone.
It's okay. Alrighty. So here's what you're gonna do, okay? No reason to call me a dick. She put herself in this situation. She would be.
Snatched her out of the car and she hit her head and everything.
Listen.
So.
If I asked her to step out of the car multiple times, she doesn't have the right to refuse. It's an order. A driver or passenger, anybody, if they get asked. And you want your seatbelt on? No. There's no insurance, so that's a criminal violation. Driving with a yes, you have no insurance. The vehicle is not insured, man. Yes. You see, like I keep telling you things, and you don't believe me. There's no insurance on the car, and your license has been suspended since 11/23/2022. Last year.
I did not know about any of that.
Yes, so you failed. There's a class that you were supposed to take and you didn't take a class. Also, you are being charged with resisting arrest, and I'm considering charging you with the felony of making a threat to a law enforcement officer when you said you were going to punch me in the face.
There's no reason for you to pull me out of my vehicle.
Ma'am, you need to understand that you're a driver or a passenger. You don't have the right to remain in your car if a law enforcement officer orders you to step out.
There was absolutely no reason.
We don't need to have a reason. I can pull everybody out of the car. Okay, so you're under that misconception that you have the right to remain in your car, but you don't. This would have been a ticket. That's it, and you escalated the whole traffic stop. So I'm not towing the car. I told your sister that she could park it at the gas station, and your mom was going to get insurance for it. Okay, is that good enough? And I'm trying to help you guys out as much as I can. But you know, you didn't help yourself.
We're trying to figure out what's going on, okay?
I know, we're trying to get out of here.
Everybody's all right?
Everybody's
Listen, I'm probably going to have you guys all step out so you all can individually talk to an officer real quick, and we'll sort things out, and then we'll get you guys on your way. You understand? Everybody just stay in the car right now. All right?
Yes, sir.
What's your name over there, man?
Quentin Henderson.
Quentin. There's a female officer on that side. You're going to step out. Okay. Hey, will you take a look at the floorboard? He dropped something on the floor there. What'd you drop on the floor there, Quentin?
I was a pen.
A what?
A pen.
Go ahead and just step out, and then, yeah, you can talk to one of the officers on that side. Sir, what's your name? Sir?
Did you just call me, sir?
No, not you. I'm talking to him in the back seat right here. What's his name right here?
My name is Shane.
Shane. How's it going, man?
How do you know my name?
She told me. She told me your name. Listen, Shane, I'm going to have you step out so I can talk to you, all right? No, sir? Why not? Why is that?
Because I don't have to step out.
You don't have to step out.
No, I don't have to listen.
Really, we don't.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Really.
Shane, you don't need to make this more difficult than it needs to be.
We're not, though. He's just a passenger.
I understand, but he was reported as being involved in a fight with somebody. He was.
That's between them people, not me. I'm just a passenger.
Okay, well that's what we're trying to figure out here, Shane.
Yeah, I'm just.
That's what we're trying to figure out.
Anything to do with it.
Okay,
He really doesn't have to do
continue
anything.
with
He was
your
literally sitting inside the car
investigation
the
on
whole
whatever you
time.
have to do.
What's his name?
Who?
The dog.
Bocephus. Yes. And where's Bella?
Oh, come here, baby.
Yeah, you should close that door.
Bubba, baby. Oh,
Please
they're
close
really
that door.
good little
Thank
dogs.
Hold on. Keep going.
Oh,
No, keep
Bubba,
No.
no, they're really good dogs.
Keep going. Go ahead.
Well, your tint's really dark, so if you don't mind rolling it down the rest of the way as we're still investigating
Hey,
this.
call Ridge. Call Ridge.
Ridge?
Wait. No, not you.
Oh.
I'm telling
No
you.
weapons inside this vehicle.
Thank you.
Okay. There's an open container between Shane's feet right here. Hey, Shane, open the window for me. Okay. Shane doesn't have his seatbelt on, which is a violation. He needs to identify himself, or I'm going to pull him out of the vehicle.
We pulled over.
Okay. He wasn't wearing a seatbelt. There's an open container on the floorboard in between his legs.
So, apparently it was another car that was involved with
That was involved with this.
and they're gone. So there's essentially it's 22 at this point. So now we're just investigating this. Investigatory traffic stops, whatever you have as well, resolve this. So you open container on this guy?
Yeah, there's an open container between his feet, and then he's not wearing a seatbelt.
Oh,
And I'm more than ready to smash a window tonight.
Same.
Yeah, I'll wait for him. Before things get too out of control here.
So I'm Sergeant Mercedes with Sarasota Police Department. Okay, so right now I'm going to be conducting a DUI investigation on you. There's an open container in the car right next to you in the cup right there. I see the bottle. All right. Have you been drinking tonight? Have you been drinking tonight? Can you step out of the car for us so we can conduct our investigation? If you're good to go, then you'll be free to leave.
What have I done? I actually was pulled over for no reason at all.
Well, you're pulled over. You're pulled over.
Calls to have pulled me over as a driver.
Probable cause to stop the car. Okay, well, originally the call that came out that there was a battery that occurred.
probable cause
with a
for you to have a DUI.
with a female and 2 male subjects, and then secondly, your window tint is way below
This isn't my car.
the correct tint. Doesn't matter, you're operating it, so you're in charge of it. So there's my probable cause to stop you right there.
You pulled me over for no reason.
Well, it's the window tint as well.
Yes, I can
So
the supervisor.
I am the supervisor. I just pulled up in.
Yeah, we're right down the street from the jail. Can I have a supervisor, please? We'll just pull it over for no fucking reason.
All right. So I mean, you can make it more difficult than it has to be, or you can just let us do our investigation, and then yeah, if you haven't been drinking, then you have really nothing, no problems. So you can just the key right there on the seat, or put it in your pocket, whatever you can do.
Putting it in my pocket.
If you work with us, we can work with you. This isn't a big deal.
Do your job.
Okay. Just let the officers do their thing.
This man was sleeping in this car, so please do not bother.
Okay, he doesn't have his seatbelt on. There's an open container between his legs.
He had a seatbelt on before he pulled us over. We all took our seatbelts off when you pulled us over.
Perfect. Go ahead and stand with your feet together, heels and toes touching, hands at your sides, outside of your pockets for me. And don't move from that position until I tell you to, okay? For this exercise, I'm going to need you to watch the color light right there. What color is that light for me?
Blue.
Don't move your head. Do you understand?
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's fucking go home, dude. Let's go home, dude.
Feel free to blink. I know it seems daunting to keep your eyes open for a while. You can blink. Go ahead.
Please. Please.
Foot on the line. Left foot on the line. And then I want you to put your right foot directly in front of your left foot, heel touching toe, hands at your sides, and don't move from that position. Okay, I'm going to reiterate one time, okay? Make sure you watch your feet, make sure you count out loud each step that you take, maintain your hands at your sides, and then once you've began the exercise, don't stop until you've completed it, okay? Do you understand?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Right now, I want you to turn this way and put your hands behind your back for me, okay?
What are you doing? What are you doing right now?
I'm placing you under arrest for driving under the influence.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not.
There's no way.
Okay. We're going to walk over to my vehicle right over here. Go ahead and just step through there. Watch your step.
To be kidding me. And I'll never get this time back. You're just taking me to jail for no fucking reason. Just because you have the right. I didn't do anything wrong.
But you were driving.
I was driving.
Yeah, correct. You were driving. You were driving the
Right,
Black
and
Navigator.
I just walked your line and did all the things.
Right.
Is anything else that they find that you at the jail? It's going to be an extra charge that I didn't.
100%, because I don't have anything on me.
Go ahead, have a seat right there.
Yeah. You're kidding me.